Using Apple Music gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy music streaming services without immediate payment. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start listening. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure that your Apple Music gift card is valid for the service. It should specifically mention Apple Music and not just iTunes or App Store credits. Step 2. Open the App Store or Apple Music app. On your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, open the App Store or the Apple Music app. Make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID. Step 3. Navigate to redeem. In the App Store, scroll down to the bottom of the featured section and tap on Redeem. In the Apple Music app, go to your account settings and find the Redeem Gift Card or Code option. Step 4. Enter the code. You can either manually enter the code found on the back of the gift card or use your device's camera to scan it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the redemption process. Step 5. Start your subscription. Once the code is successfully redeemed, the amount will be added to your Apple ID balance. You can now use this balance to pay for your Apple Music subscription or any other services associated with your Apple ID. Enjoy your music streaming experience. Redeeming gift cards is a simple way to access your favorite tunes without hassle.